Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove person from Telegram group chat. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app. Now, open the group chat from where you want to remove a member. Tap on the group name at the top of your screen and open the group settings. You can now see the group members of the group. Select the person you want to remove. Once you have located the person, swipe left on their name. This will reveal a red delete option. Tap on this delete option to remove the person from the group. And this is how you can remove person from Telegram group chat. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.